Hello friends, welcome. Are your watercolor paintings looking streaky, flat, or just off? Most beginners think it's their paint, but the truth is your brush is probably failing you. A bad brush holds too much water or loses its point, ruining your details. But the right one? It feels like an extension of your hand. Today, I'm testing 5 of the most talked about watercolor brushes on the market. Product number 1. Artegria Watercolor Brush Set. Experience Artegria Watercolor Brush Set. Designed for water-based paints. Wide variety of shapes and sizes for various watercolor art techniques, from precise detail to large washes. Fine-tipped rounds 0, 3, 6, 8, 10, 12. Dagger striper 3/8. Oval wash, cat's tongue 3/4. Flats 6 3/4. High absorption, consistent flow. Soft synthetic squirrel bristles have great liquid holding capacity and ensure smooth paint flow. Perfect spring and shape holding ability offers better control. Product number 2. Watercolor Brushes Professional. Experience Watercolor Brushes Professional. Fumi's synthetic squirrel hair watercolor brushes come in a wide range of shapes. Pointed rounds, flats, cat's tongue, dagger, oval wash, and sizes, so you can paint from long, thin lines to large areas with ease. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a beginner just learning to paint, you will surely enjoy this watercolor paintbrushes. Excellent color carrying capacity, soft synthetic squirrel bristles provide superior control and color flow. The color flows evenly and consistently from the point, with enough color carrying capacity to allow flowing gestural strokes. Variety range of head shapes and sizes suit variety watercolor techniques. Product number 3. Paint brushes set of 24 pieces, wooden handles, brushes with canvas brush case. Experience paint brushes set of 24 pieces, wooden handles, brushes with canvas brush case. Designs for perfect painting. Total 24 pieces different functionals paint brushes are providing perfect experience of watercolors and acrylics. These artist's paintbrush set covers all wide range of projects and features 100% natural wood handles and nylon hair, lightweight and easy to hold. Easy to organize and carry. Free canvas brush case to protect all brushes very well, and easy to hold all of 24 pieces brush. Make your painting whenever and wherever possible. Product number 4. Artist Watercolor Paintbrushes. Experience Artist Watercolor Paintbrushes. Sturdy. These watercolor brushes feature premium aluminum crimped ferrules to secure the bristles, treated to prevent shedding. The lacquered wooden handles are waterproof, fade-resistant, and crack-proof, offering a comfortable grip. The round-tipped brushes are ideal for detailed outlining, blending, and color filling, as well as creating both fine and thick lines. High flexible. The brush tip is crafted from nylon bristles, offering exceptional softness, flexibility, and resilience. Maintenance is remarkably straightforward. Simply rinse with warm water after use and reshape the tip to restore its form. Sturdy. These watercolor brushes feature premium aluminum crimped ferrules to secure the bristles, treated to prevent shedding. The round-tipped brushes are ideal for detailed outlining, blending, and color filling, as well as creating both fine and thick lines. Products number 5. Golden Maple Detail Paintbrushes Set, 10 pieces miniature brushes for fine detailing. Detail Paintbrush Set, 10 pieces miniature brushes, size 5/0, 3/0, 2/0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. Ensure that you always have just the right paintbrush for the job. This set of detailing brushes offers the perfect small paintbrush for each phase of all your artistic painting projects. Perfect for all sorts of detailing. Good for nail art and face painting. Work great for painting miniatures, models, figurines, action figures, and dollhouses. Rock painting, paint by numbers, Army paints, acrylic, watercolor, or oil, whichever project you are creating, you will have the right tool for all of your hobbies and crafts. Detail paint brush set. 10 pieces, miniature brushes, size 5/0, 3/0, 2/0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. Ensure that you always have just the right paintbrush for the job.